Hello everybody, welcome back to Channel Fantastic Machinery. The CBI 5400 stump grinder paired with the CAT 324E is a powerhouse combination designed for efficiency and reliability in heavy-duty stump removal. Engineered for performance, the CBI 5400 boasts an impressive grinding capacity that makes quick work of even the largest stumps. Its robust construction ensures durability, while the integration with the CAT 324E excavator enhances maneuverability and control. The CAT 324E's advanced hydraulic system provides the necessary power and precision, allowing the CBI 5400 to operate at peak performance. This stump grinder is equipped with hardened steel teeth that grind through tough wood effortlessly, reducing stumps to mulch in minutes. Whether you're dealing with hardwood or softer tree varieties, the CBI 5400 can handle it all with ease. Operators will appreciate the user-friendly controls and the seamless interface between the grinder and the excavator, making the entire process smoother and more efficient. For those in forestry, land clearing, or construction, the CBI 5400 stump grinder and CAT 324E excavator combination is a game changer, delivering exceptional results every time. The Morbark 30RXL chipper vester, a robust meat slicer manufactured in 2009, continues to perform exceptionally. Powered by a formidable CAT C27 diesel engine with an impressive 1,050 horsepower, this machine exemplifies durability and strength. Known for its reliability, the Morbark 30RXL remains a vital tool in various operations, consistently delivering high performance and efficiency. Despite its years of service, it stands as a testament to superior engineering and quality, ensuring it stays still working strong for years to come. The Bandit Model 19XP 1890XP wood chipper with winch efficiently handles 16-inch diameter Australian trees, offering robust performance and ease of use. Ideal for large-scale clearing projects, it combines power and precision for effective wood processing. The Peterson 4310B crusher delivers exceptional performance, showcasing flawless operation in every task it undertakes. Its robust design and advanced technology ensure consistent, reliable results, meeting and exceeding industry standards. With impressive efficiency and durability, the Peterson 4310B is a top choice for professionals seeking a high-performance crusher that excels in demanding environments. Its precision and reliability make it an invaluable asset for any operation. The Vermeer WC2300XL whole tree chipper is a powerful, high-performance machine designed for efficient chipping of large logs and whole trees. With its robust engine and advanced technology, it ensures quick and effective processing, making it ideal for heavy-duty forestry and land-clearing tasks. Its user-friendly controls and durable construction provide reliability and ease of operation, enhancing productivity in demanding environments. The WC2300XL combines strength with versatility for exceptional results. The PTH 1200 to 1000M Pezzolato tracked drum wood chipper is a high-performance machine designed for efficiency and power. Equipped with a robust Scania 700 horsepower engine, it delivers exceptional cutting capabilities, making it ideal for large-scale wood processing. Its track design ensures excellent mobility over rough terrain. While the drum chipper mechanism ensures precise and uniform wood chipping, this model is engineered for demanding tasks, offering reliability and durability in various forestry and land clearing applications. With its impressive power and advanced features, the PTH 1200 to 1000M is a top choice for professionals seeking superior wood chipping performance. The HG6800TX horizontal shredder stands out in the realm of high-performance machinery, offering unparalleled efficiency for processing whole trees and other organic materials. At the heart of this powerful shredder is a robust 708 kilowatts motor, designed to tackle even the most demanding tasks with ease. One of its standout features is the industry's unique Series 3 twin drum, which enhances its shredding capabilities and ensures a smoother, more reliable operation. Engineered for both power and ease of use, the HG6800TX is an ideal choice for land clearing and waste processing applications. Its advanced design not only boosts productivity but also reduces operator strain, making it easier to manage large-scale projects with less effort. The machine's intuitive maintenance features further simplify its upkeep, allowing for more consistent performance and fewer interruptions. Whether you're dealing with extensive land clearing or substantial waste management tasks, the HG6800TX delivers exceptional results while prioritizing operator comfort and efficiency.